welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of my FabFitFun Box. I did subscribe to this about a year ago, so I thought this would be something to show you on my channel, just a little bit different than like what I bought haul. So here we go. So this is the summer box. So if you haven't heard of FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription box that gives you like a ton of different products. It's about $59 a quarter, and you get like 6 to 7 items. So let's see what I got. So, oh, it's Gabby Douglas. Look how pretty she is. All right. So the first thing I got was this Solstice Diffuser. I'll also put like little cards of how much everything is. So it's this, and then it's like an amp. Oh, I'll open it up and show you. It's from the Mason collection. Smells good. So there's the diffuser there, the reeds. And I'm guessing, oh, there's a little diffuser. Next, we got this Kula Organic Mineral Face Sunscreen in the matte. I already have the regular Kula sunscreen. I really like it, so this is just a backup. Next is a passport holder. I think this, yeah, it's the my first passport holder. It looks like this. I used to have like those plastic passport holders, but when I was traveling to Virginia, they told me to take my passport out, and I was like, oh, well, all right. This is cute. Next, we have this Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. I don't really go to the beach that often, so maybe I'll just use this when I'm going out in the sun. So next we have the Terame Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Ooh, I can use this as a backup because I have the Gemalogia toner, so this would be really nice once I run out of this. So the box looks like this. And then here's the toner. It's like in this nice little red bottle. Since this is a backup, I will put this back. Next, we have this little makeup drop sponge. It's a hybrid, so it's a silicone pad and blending sponge. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to use this, so I might give this to one of my friends or even my cousins. I'm not a really big fan of like the silicone sponges, either like the beauty blenders or even the e.l.f. sponge. Definitely would recommend. And then the last thing in my box is this Summer and Rose Every Place Everything ceramic tray. So this is the box. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's like this pink and rose gold with like cream with little bits of pink and gold tints to it. So I might put this in my bathroom, so when I'm washing my hands, I can put my rings in here. So yeah, that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun Box. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.